Hey there, space enthusiasts. Welcome to Astronomy Daily, your cosmic catch-up for the latest in space and astronomy news. Give us 10 minutes and we'll give you the universe. I'm Anna and I've got my coffee ready. How about you?
Yo, Anna, I'm Avery, and my mug's steaming too. It's October 22nd, 2025, and we've got a stellar lineup today. We're diving into 5 out-of-this-world stories, Europe's bold new Space Shield initiative, some spicy drama between Elon Musk and NASA over the moon, quirky giant planets rewriting astronomy textbooks, an interstellar comet ready to sprinkle NASA's Jupiter probe with cosmic dust, and a sneaky asteroid playing hide-and-seek in the sun's glare. Buckle up.
Oh, yeah, Avery. It's like the universe is serving us a full buffet of news today. Let's get straight into our first story.
Right. Let's kick things off with Europe's big move. The EU is rolling out the European Space Shield initiative in Q2 2026, part of their Defense Readiness Roadmap 2030. This is all about protecting space assets, think satellites for navigation, Earth observation, and secure comms, from growing threats. Anna, what's the vibe here?
It's like Europe saying, we're not messing around. They're pumping Euro 800 billion into the Rearm Europe program to boost defense, and this space shield is a cornerstone. It's about building tools to spot threats in real time, counter stuff like jamming or spoofing, and even do cool in-space ops like satellite servicing. They released a white paper on European defense readiness in March this year, laying it all out.
That's a hefty budget. This is one of 4 big initiatives alongside drone defense, Eastern Flank Watch, and Air Shield. Space and Air Shields drop in Q2 2026, after the others in Q1. No word yet on who's joining or what companies are involved, but Europe's clearly leveling up its space game. Kaja Kallas, the EU High Rep, put it perfectly. To defend ourselves in space, we are now developing a new European space shield.
Love that quote. She's all about real-time threat awareness, quick response, and teamwork. And Commissioner Andrius Kubilius nailed it too. There can be no defense without space, and there is no space without industry. It's like space is the backbone of modern security.
Totally. This could really unify Europe against threats like anti-satellite weapons or cyber attacks in orbit. With space getting more crowded and contested, it's a power move. Anna, do you think this could spark similar programs globally?
Oh, for sure. It might nudge the US or others to team up or step up. Okay, let's pivot to some juicy drama. Tensions are flaring between Elon Musk and NASA over the Artemis moon missions. Avery, spill the tea.
Oh, it's piping hot. NASA's acting administrator, Sean Duffy, who's also the U.S. Transportation Secretary, went on Fox News and said SpaceX's Starship delays are holding up Artemis 3, now pushed to mid-2027. He's like, love SpaceX, but we're in a race with China for the moon by 2030. So we're opening bids to other companies like Blue Origin. Musk clapped back on X, calling Duffy Sean Dummy and accusing him of trying to kill NASA. Bold move, Elon.
Whoa, that's some spicy shade. Duffy's pushing for the best players to get us to the moon first, but there's also NASA leadership drama. Duffy might stay, or Jared Isaacman, a Musk buddy, could be back in the running after bowing out earlier. What's the deal with Starship?
Starship's the planned lunar lander, but it's super complex and delays keep piling up. No specifics on what's tripping them up, but it's critical to fix. This could diversify NASA's roster, maybe speed things up to outpace China. But Musk's not happy. It's like a space soap opera. Science, politics, and egos colliding.
Totally. It's a reminder that getting to the moon isn't just rockets. It's people and power plays. Will this light a fire under SpaceX or just make things messier? All right, let's zoom out to something wilder. Giant planets so weird they're rewriting the rules. Talk to me about these eccentric warm Jupiters, Avery.
These are gas giants with wonky, stretched-out orbits, nothing like our neat solar system. A team at Northern Arizona University, backed by the NSF through 2028, is diving into why. Warm Jupiters are like hot Jupiters, but orbit farther out, and get this, they're almost always aligned with their star's equator, especially the quirkier their orbit. No model saw that coming.
That's wild. Researcher Daniel Munoz said, the variability of extrasolar planets is just enormous. We're very interested in seeing how the solar system forms in context. They're using NASA's TESS satellite to collect data. Theories? Maybe companion planets, birth nebulae, or get this, waves inside the star messing with orbits.
Munoz is all in on the star waves idea. Stars acting like fluid, creating internal waves that align planets. He's throwing computers, math, and wild creativity at it, even hiring a grad student to help. His words, "We don't have a model that predicted this, so we're going to go crazy and dive into the most creative ways we can think about this problem."
That's the spirit of science. This could show if our solar system is typical or a cosmic oddball, reshaping how we think planets form everywhere. Avery, what's the coolest part for you?
Stars tweaking orbits like cosmic DJs? Mind blown. Next up, an update on interstellar comet 3I Atlas, which just might shower NASA's Europa Clipper with charged particles, giving us a taste of alien material.
Okay, this is so cool. This comet from another star system has its ion tail predicted to cross Europa Clipper's path between October 30 to November 6. It's harmless, but a science jackpot. Researchers Samuel Grant and Geraint Jones used tailcatcher software to call it. Comets have dust tails trailing behind and ion tails pushed by solar wind, always pointing away from the sun.
That ion tail's a time capsule from billions of years ago from another star's nursery. As 3I Atlas hits perihelion on October 29th, 126 million miles from the sun, it's got feisty. Europa Clipper, chilling 186 million miles out after a Mars flyby, and could snag ions zooming at hundreds of miles per second.
The trick is detecting heavier water group ions versus solar wind protons and helium, plus spotting flow slowdowns. But a U.S. government shutdown could have turned instruments off, and it needs strong solar wind. Grant said, "We have virtually no data on the interior of interstellar comets. Sampling the tail is the closest we can get to a direct sample."
If it worked, we're comparing alien comets to ours. Tailcatchers legit nailed it with Solar Orbiter in 2020. This could prep us for ESA's 2029 Comet Interceptor. It's like getting a postcard from another star system without leaving the solar system.
So clever how missions snag bonus science. Okay, last up today. Asteroid 2025 SC79 hiding in the sun's glare and way too close for comfort.
Found by Scott Shepard on September 27th with the Blanco telescope, confirmed by Gemini and Magellan, is the 39th Atira asteroid, orbiting entirely inside Earth's and only the second fully inside Venus's, dipping past Mercury with a 128-day period, the third shortest known.
It's 700 meters wide, not dinosaur killer big, but bad enough for continental chaos and billions at risk. Atiras are sneaky, only visible in twilight due to sun glare. Its origins, maybe knocked from the main belt, captured closer. Its heat tolerance sparks questions about what it's made of. More data when it pops back into view.
Shepard's warning was chilling. The most dangerous asteroids are the most difficult to detect. If these twilight asteroids approach Earth, they could pose serious impact hazards. It's a wake-up call for better detection tech and a nod to our wild early solar system.
Yeah, it's humbling. We're just a speck in a cosmic shooting gallery. We need those planetary defense upgrades ASAP.
No kidding. Well, that's our cosmic tour for today. From shields in orbit to asteroids playing peekaboo. Never a dull moment out there.
Thanks for hanging out with us on Astronomy Daily, folks. I'm Anna, and my coffee's gone cold, but my love for space is still red hot.
I'm Avery, and I'm already hyped for tomorrow's news. Catch you then. Clear skies and keep looking up.